Do you need help on writing blog introduction? Craft an awesome blog introduction paragraph with the best AI blog writer. Use the intro paragraph generator use case to introduce your blog themes and ideas to your audience accurately. I am here to assist you in using WriteMe.ai. Today I am going to share how you can use WriteMe.ai to write an introduction to a blog using AI blog content generator in few easy steps. As you know, first you have to select your desired language, your tone of voice, and your preferred use case. Then, input some relevant information such as keywords, phrases, main context, titles, characters, and goal of blog post introduction. Finally, simply click Write Me. That's it. Hook in your readers with an awesome blog post introduction. Engage your audience with a convincing blog introduction paragraph. Clearly present your blog main idea to your readers. Explore new AI blog content creator suggestions and rule your competition. I hope that we are providing you with the complete details on how to use WriteMe.ai Creator to generate meaningful content for you. If not, please tell us in the comments section. Thanks. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.